Hey there, BMX enthusiasts. Today we are taking a closer look at the Crossea 18/20" Freestyle BMX bicycle, designed for boys, girls, and beginner-level riders. This bike is the perfect choice for young riders who are just getting started and want to hit the streets with confidence. With a durable high-10 steel frame and a 17.3 top tube length, the Crossea 18 provides reliable support and long-lasting comfort for riders. The 152mm one-piece crank with a 32T chainring and aluminum U-brake and hand brake levers offer precision speed control, making this bike easy to ride for beginners. The reliable wheelset features 18x 2.125 tires mounted on aluminum single-wall 36H rims with 3/8 female axle hubs and a 16T cog freewheel. Plus, the bike comes 85% assembled and includes assembly tools, making it easy to put together. And to top it off, the Crossea 18 is backed by a limited lifetime warranty for added peace of mind. So, whether you're hitting the streets, the park, or the trails, the Crossea 18/20" Freestyle BMX bicycle has everything you need to start your BMX journey. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to grab your very own Crossea 18. Click the link in the description to get yours today.